This is my Porsche 911 Turbo S.
It's something that's always been a dream car for me. It's subtle, understated, but underneath it is an absolute weapon. 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, over 200 mile an hour top speed, and handling that is just ridiculous, all while being something that you can daily drive without a second thought. It truly is the perfect car.
This is genuinely the best car that I've ever owned in my life. It's been a complete and utter dream to have one of these. But the one thing that lets it down is the fact that it sounds like a Dyson. A really quiet Dyson at that. But, you know, it's about to change today.
This is Josh, the founder of the Exhaust Company. They specialise in building completely custom exhausts from the ground up to make people's cars sound amazing. If anyone can make my 911 Turbo S sound good, it's these guys. The first step was to get the car into the shop and onto the ramp so that they could take off the spoiler and the rear bumper so that they could get to the old exhaust.
Branching chamber in the middle. So we'll build an actual X-pipe where this one is to flow the gases smoother than what that is.
So once this is done, it will effectively not be silenced.
No, it won't be silenced.
Yeah, sick.
Next we had to decide whether to make the exhaust from titanium or steel.
This one's still ringing.
So is that going to be like almost more raspy?
Yeah.
The titanium can sound a bit more raspy and unique, but it is also prone to cracking.
So this is better to... Yeah, sick. So, welding starting now. Making the X-pipe first. Oh, this is going to be sick. Pretty cool, right? This is how I felt in wood tech.
The fact that you just turned around and said you learnt this in wood tech in DT and I'm working with metal, right? If you put your hand here, you'll feel it blowing.
Oh, yeah?
Right, Lav, do you want to drop that one in that side? Right, so I'm going to blow it in this one, so you'd expect it to blow out of that one, yeah? Do you see where it went?
What the
You didn't press it enough. So it come out of that one. It sucked it in.
I'm trying to get my head around this. Why is that happening?
Because this is going in here.
Yeah.
And the gases are going through here and out of there. So it's sucking it
So
in
it's
there.
sucking this way. So this is what you were saying about it draws in. As the air's coming down here, it's drawing.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really cool.
Which is what changes the noise of a car drastically because it's helping the engine breathe.
Yeah.
So a good exhaust should help a car with performance.
You reckon I'll get any pops? Because you can hear, like when you put it in sport, there's like little pops, but it's very muffled. Do you reckon?
Potentially.
Well, there's only one way to find out. The exhaust is ready, so let's have a listen. Here's what it sounded like before. And here is the after.
This was Grandad's spec when I bought it, and that's what everyone says about the Turbo S's. They're just apparently boring. But since this has been done, it's a completely different animal. Oh my lord. See, it's not Asbo, because that's not really what you want out of a Turbo S, right? It's still dailyable, and you don't look like too much of a cock. But it's now unbelievably fun. And all you want to do is just send it.
Big shout out to the Exhaust Company. They have smashed this. Like and subscribe.